G'day guys, it's Paul from A247 here, and today I'm doing a review of the Tembo Tusk Skottle. I'm going to give you a good full run through of this thing because it's really unique in the marketplace. It's a barbecue and cooking system that comes with its own adjustable legs. It's got a lifetime guarantee, you're going to love it. Stay with me. So let's talk about the Skottle itself. So what the Skottle comprises of is a large dish made of spun steel that has a slight curve to it. That means that as you're cooking and food is going in, it doesn't, liquids or oils or any of those things don't spill off the side. Really great design. The next thing is the legs. 3 adjustable legs with 2 fixed set heights. So at the moment, I've got this one set at 1 height, which is the lower height, and then it can go even higher. So when you're standing up next to your campsite and you want to just be able to cook and easily put food onto your barbecue or grill, it sits up at a really nice working height. The other benefit, which is a really revolutionary design, I think, is whilst there are 2 fixed heights, which is fantastic, because if you're on a smooth surface, you just want to set it to a height and start using it. You don't want to keep having to adjust and minuscule adjustments on each leg. But the great thing is you can do both with the Skottle. So we can just push in one of these buttons. So say, for example, if this leg needed some adjustment up or down, I can push that button in, still set it to the height or the adjustment that I want, and still lock off that leg. So even on an uneven surface, I can adjust the legs. But on a flat surface, it's simply a case of just finding the button, clicks in, now it's perfectly flat. The next thing with the Skottle, which I think is really advantageous, is a super good quality bag. So I mentioned before that the Skottle has a lifetime guarantee, and this bag is built to last a lifetime. It's a heavy duty PVC bag with a really good quality zip. There's a separate bag for the legs, and that can just attach to the back. It's all been thought about how you can carry and keep and store the Skottle. Lastly, what we have underneath is a Gasmate Australian certified gas burner. So this will do up to 12,000 BTUs worth of heat. It's a fantastic amount of heat and you really don't need more because the Skottle is designed in such a way that it's not designed to have heat flowing across the entire surface of the Skottle. It's designed so that the middle area stays hot and is always hot. But then as you're cooking food and as you're finishing one component of the meal, you can actually move it off to the edges. It'll stay nice and warm there, but won't cook further. You can build a full meal, but not have to take things on and off and on and off and on and off. It's really a clever design. All right, so let's get the Skottle set up. So first thing is the Skottle, you will notice in its bag, is actually quite a nice compact size. For a grilling and cooking system that you can stand up on or cook communally around, including table and all the accessories, it all fits in this really high quality PVC bag. The other thing is it only weighs about 10 kilos. So that's a lot lighter than even small fire pits. So for something that you can cook on, communally cook around, it's really versatile. To set up the Skottle, first of all, we need to take the leg bag off the back. So undo the Velcro, pull those out. We'll grab the legs out and just sit them on top so they're easy to get. All right, now if we have the zip facing off to this side, when we open the bag, it gives us a nice little space to put stuff down on that's not in the muck. All right, lid, take the gas bottle out, and then we have the Skottle accessible here. But the best way is to actually attach the gas bottle first. So screw him up, align the gas bottle adjustment or the burner adjuster with the exit. And what we do is we actually will adjust the adjustment for the gas to face outwards from the windshield. All right, next is the legs. So the way we do the legs is make sure that the holes are facing outwards, not inwards. And we'll do leg number 1. We'll do leg number 2. Now for the last leg, this is the leg that has the rubberized ring on it that is designed to hold the leg table. So with that one, I'm not going to do that one up too tight. I'm just going to put it in loosely. Now a great tip that I've found with this is that there's 3 separate working heights for the Skottle. So you can have it at a very low level, which is essentially how the legs come out of the bag, a medium height, and then a much taller height. So that is dependent on how you want to cook, where you want to cook. Do you want to do it around a group of people with chairs all around, or are you doing out of the back of your camper or your campsite and you want to stand up and cook? So first thing is, it's a good idea to adjust your legs at this point. It just makes it a lot easier than trying to do it when it's on its legs. So I'm just going to bring it up to the medium level, which is right about there. Click, 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 and then it's ready to lift out. So we lift him up, turn him over, bring the leg, the table leg arm around to this side, then there's a trivet, pop him out of there. So if we pop the table up here, undo the leg, just lift it forwards a bit, holding it with our other hand, pop the leg on, slot it back in, and give that a nice amount of tightness so that it's not going to wobble or move around. And there we have it. Alright, so let's talk about accessories for the Skottle, because it can come with just the Skottle itself. It comes with the adjustable legs, the cook top, of course, and the bag as one separate package or product by itself. But then you can add extras which all still conveniently fit in the bag. So the first one is this one here, which is the leg table. It's a bamboo leg table. What makes it great is that it just fits easily onto one of the legs. There's a small rubber ring that goes onto one of the legs, and just because of the adjustment and the way that it sits on the angle, it provides a good amount of strength right next to the Skottle where you need it. So putting things, food on and off the Skottle, putting plates here, serving bowls, you can even put any sort of utensils and that sort of stuff through the holes just to keep them out of the way. It is a really great addition to the Skottle. So the next one is the maintenance and care kit. So what that comes with is this really nice little bamboo sort of spatula. The next one being a small plastic scraper. So once you've cooked on the Skottle and there's any leftover, crowd or bits and pieces, you can just sort of scrape that off nicely with this little scraper. Works really well. It's got sharp edges and rounded edges. Last thing is a nice little tub here of beeswax seasoning treatment. So what this does is that once your Skottle sort of loses a bit of its seasoning, or it starts to show sort of bare metal, once you've given it a nice clean off, you can rub this into the metal to rejuvenate that and to keep it good for years to come, and to prevent any kind of rust happening. All right, and lastly what we have is the cooking kit. Okay, so the accessory kit for it is this nice stainless steel light lid. All right, comes with a good handle to lift it off. What this is fantastic for is if you're cooking things like eggs or anything that you really want to have a nice even cook. If there's wind or rain, you can put what you're cooking on the top here. So like you might crack your eggs on the top, and then you can put the lid over it to nicely cook the top of them, or to do a little bit of heating that way. Along with that, there is a trivet. And so what the trivet does, it's got a couple of adjustments. You can have it flat with the legs down, or lift it up a little bit off the Skottle. So what that's great for is that if you want to steam anything or cook something, or just keep it even warm, you can pop some water in the bottom there, put the trivet on, put your lid back on, and that'll keep everything nice and cooked and steamed, or however it is that you want to cook that particular dish. This will help you enhance what you can cook and how you go about it. Lastly, with this kit, what we have is a windbreak. So what this is a piece of metal that slides out from under here that just allows for a bit of shielding of the flame because it is a gas barbecue. That's the Tembo Tusk Skottle. I think it's a really versatile piece of camp cooking equipment. I just think somewhere like Australia, where we have fire season and we have like total fire ban days and those sorts of things across most of the country, having something that is gas, that you can cook, that has its own self-supporting legs, that are adjustable, high quality, lifetime guarantee, good quality bag, and only weighs 10 kilos, it's a revolutionary product. I think everyone should have one. A247 is selling these exclusively, so if you want to get one, jump on to a247.com.au, type in Skottle or look for the brand, get yourself one. They're the best. Thanks a lot. I'll see you next time.